Today, I believe, is the 5th day of this Arizona wildfire smoke. Right now it's about 7:30. Usually you'd see the mountains over here and maybe a nice little view of the mountains as the sun goes down. Nothing. It's nothing but smoke. You can barely see the edge of the sandias here at the edge. But other than that, there's absolutely nothing. The sky's pretty disgusting. It's a mix of orange and brown. Right now it smells like you're standing probably 10 feet away from a campfire. There's a better view of what's left of the sandias. Yep, nothing. Here's looking towards the west side of town. Usually you're able to see a little bit of the west side from here, but nothing. I think that guy slowed down because he think I was a radar. Oh well. I don't know if that's just not. That's not the sun, is it? Is that seriously the sun? I don't know if you can see that. Right there. I can't see it, but it comes up on the camera. I think that's the sun. Is that really the sun? Yep. That's the sun. And it only comes up on the camera. I can't see it here. I'm using the HD on my camera. I guess it's showing up there, I'm not sure. 1080p, but I cannot see that. That is disgusting. Seriously, right there. I don't see it, but that's the sun. That's sick. Well, yeah. That's our little tour of Albuquerque. I hope you enjoyed. The beautiful Sandia Mountains. You should come visit sometime.